Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you how to I'm not going to show you how to make it. It's just an idea. If you want a tutorial, it might be the next video, but I'm going to be showing you an idea on like a really simple starter house in Minecraft. It's not really simple, it's kind of hard. It'll take you a few days, but it's really cool. It's like a modernist design, so stick around. And yeah, here it is. It's not the prettiest because I'm not a really good builder, so it's not the prettiest, but like you can get the general idea from this, what I'm trying to make. So it's like basically a modern style house, I would say. It's got some chests and a smoker blast furnace and normal furnace, some more chests. Then there's this little staircase that you have to shift to get up, because I'm stupid. You have your bedroom, you have an anvil and ender chest, another chest which opens, you have a grindstone you're enchanting, and you have a nice little balcony to look out to your fellow sheep right there. Yeah, and our trees, you know. So it's a simple little house that I wanted to show you guys. This video won't be long. I'll just show you how to make like this really simple modern house.